the BHG folding bookshelf versus the 4NM folding bookshelf. Now, on the surface, these both look pretty similar and they function the exact same way, but they do have some small differences. There's some things I like better about this bookshelf, and then some things I like better about this one, so let me give you a closer look at both of these. I just want to quickly compare them to help you figure out which one is right for you. Alright, so obviously there is a height difference here. I accidentally ordered the wrong size, but as far as price, they will be the same price for the same amount of shelves. And they're both made from pretty much the same materials. There's these laminated particle board shelves and then this metal frame. The BHG bookshelf has a total of 3 different color variations you can get for these shelves, where the 4NM bookshelf has a total of 7 different color variations. Now, like I said, both of these function the exact same way. You kind of just pop the shelves up, and on the bottom you can see there are these clips. And when you fold these up, then you can slide this tab over to kind of lock them in place. And then once all these shelves are folded up, then you can fold in the side pieces. And that makes it very easy to fold both of these up. Now, a little bit of a difference here once they're folded up. This one does have this extra metal piece that kind of protects the top shelf, where this one does not. And this one here does also have these horizontal pieces. You can see it's on the back as well as each side on each of the shelves. And these are pretty handy because they give it a bit more support, but they also help prevent objects from falling off the shelf. Where with this one here, you can see there are the horizontal bars at the back, but there is not on the sides. It does have these pieces here which do connect both sides together and add strength, but as far as actually keeping things on the shelves, this diagonal piece is really all there is. That being said, the frame on this one is a bit thicker. This one is a little over 3/4 inches thick, where this one is just about 5/8 inches thick, which once they're both clipped together really doesn't make too much of a difference, but I would say this one does feel a little bit more solid. And on top of that, these shelves are about 1/8 inch thicker than these shelves. So yeah, with all that being said, and since these are both basically the same price, I think there is a pretty clear winner here, and that's going to be the BHG shelf. It just feels a bit more sturdy. It's made from thicker material. It doesn't have the horizontal metal pieces that help prevent things from falling off, and it's also a bit limited on the color choices. So if either of those things are a concern for you, then there's really no problem going with the 4NM shelf. But for most situations, I think the BHG shelf is going to be the better pick.